Hello guys, I am here just gonna show you guys my patterns and everything. So this is a pattern that I scanned in. This is a pattern that I scanned in, and I'm just gonna show you guys just a little bit of the puppet warp I did to help shape it. Sorry, I'm trying to click it. No, why it's not letting me click? Alright, well then. Alright, there we go. So, to show y'all the puppet warp. Just showing you a little bit, just how I'm like maneuvering the fabric here. But yeah, so that's the puppet warp for my swatch that I scanned in. So this is here without puppet warp, with puppet warp. And then I really like the patch too though. As you guys can see, I kind of already started on like the seam here. I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of, just how, what I did with the patch tool. I honestly, I really like the patch tool because it gets rid of like the seam and everything. And then I'm just going to move that around. Could make that part darker. Or, see, oh, Control D. So you see how like the difference, like I kind of, or even I can even like move it again if I wanted to, and like make this a little lighter on like this part. And you see? Oh man, that looks so much better. Yeah, I really like I said, the patch tool. So there you go. And then I'm just gonna show you guys the clone stamp tool. So this is one of my patterns for the clone stamp tool. And what I'm gonna do is, because I remember this one was here, I'm just gonna change the number on that because I remember, what I put it as. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hit Alt, Enter, and I'm gonna get rid of the sides. I'm gonna get rid of this. Just showing you guys like a little bit. Alt. Sorry y'all, I'm just showing y'all just a little bit. I'm just pressing Alt, click, and then just gonna do it again. Alt, click. And that's the thing too. Like with these patterns, like let's say if I wanted to make, okay, I'm just gonna do Alt, right? And let's say if I wanted to make this one, like, I wanted to add like another yellow one here. Could do that. Or then if I wanted to, Alt, and then make this one blue, okay, Alt, make that one blue, and Alt, 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 Alt. I'm honestly just playing around with this. But yeah, I don't know, there's a lot of like, maybe I want to add, oops, I'm gonna undo that one. Maybe I want to add a blue in the middle here. Yeah, I think I want to add more blue. So yeah, it doesn't look bad, Or if I wanted to add yellow, add that yellow right here. So yeah, that's one of my patterns. Sorry y'all. And then this is another pattern that I was kind of working on. Or I can even add like a yellow here, or that's cool too. Like even like mix the two patterns to do different, just different things. Sorry. Where did it go? See, I could put that here. And then I can even add here. Let me just make this smaller. Because these are like the two patterns that I'm doing. So I'm just going to do Alt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the other pattern. And I'm going to add this. And just add that around. I could even put some like on top if I wanted to. Like layer the circles. Do it this way. That way. I don't know, it's just like I said, just different ideas. And then this is, let me go to my rule is defined pattern. So this is what I did for one of them. I did the plaid, the yellow plaid, and I was able to, let me go to my assignment. I was able, with that plaid, I was able to, yeah, put it on the skirt. And I like the way it came out, honestly. Like I like the way it, how like I was able to do it with the rulers. But then I have another pattern for the rulers. I have this one that I was able to do. And let me just go to that. Okay. Yeah, this one, I kind of like this one better. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I kind of already, here, let me go to my layers. I kind of already, with my scan swatch, I kind of already put it in for the shirt. With my scan swatch. But yeah, this is pretty much how it came out. Like I said, what I really liked the most was the patch tool. I really liked how I wasn't able to see that seam anymore. I mean, the clone stamp tool is pretty cool as well. And the ruler defines. I like that one as well because you could literally choose like what you want from out of, the pattern, literally crop it out. And yeah, thank you guys.